Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Bolt app in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and download Bolt app from the Play Store. Then go ahead and open it. And on the home page, you want to make sure that you are actually on the first option, which is home. Then click the word to right over here. Then you want to indicate your pickup point and then your drop off location. Then on this page, you can choose the type of car you want. You have here several options, just Bolt, comfort, electric, premium pet. You have several options right over here. You can also choose the type of method you'll be using. So right now it's set to cash, but you can also add a debit or a credit card. Then you also have the option to schedule this for a later day. So just tap the icon right beside select Bolt. Then from here, choose schedule a ride. And you can choose the date and the pickup time that you want. And then once done, just click on continue. But let's say you want to book for today or for right now. Just go ahead and choose select Bolt. Confirm your order. Request a ride, and your driver will arrive in minutes. That's it. Now you know how to use Bolt app in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.